All right guys, today I'm taking you through a lazy girl workout. When you're feeling lazy, maybe you've been under the weather, just not into it. Maybe it's the week leading up to that time of the month and you want to do something so you can like stick with the routine, but you just don't have it in you to go too hard. Guys, it happens to me too. And sometimes you just want to do something easy enough, right? Lazy girl workout. Guys, deep down, I'm a lazy person, but I've like used mental tricks to kind of get myself, you know, keep myself accountable, stay in a routine, just little things that I'll talk to you about while we do this workout. Let's go. Okay, so I'm starting with alternating lat pull down seated. So, you know, you start sitting, doesn't feel too bad, and alternating, you can't go as heavy, so it just feels easier to get into the workout. And then we're gonna go into straight arm pull downs, just working a little bit smaller muscle groups in the back so you're not lifting as heavy as a load. And then going right into face pull, same thing. Instead of hitting like the big back muscles, we're hitting mainly like upper back. So yeah, so we can go a little bit lighter so it doesn't feel as overwhelming. All right, let's do it. I actually heard something like super cool yesterday. It was about cleaning. Like, you know, you guys might watch workout videos. Well, I watch like cleaning videos because I love a clean house, but I hate to clean. I can't remember the name of the channel. I think it's But First Coffee or something like that. She just said that you're never gonna feel like doing it because sometimes we tell ourselves, oh, I don't feel like doing it right now, but I thought it was perfect for working out because often like you may not feel like doing it, but getting into a workout routine, becoming fit, you're never gonna feel like doing it, ever. You're never gonna feel like doing it. So you might as well just do it and tell yourself that you deserve your end goal. So you deserve to be a fit person. So yesterday I actually cleaned my house like crazy because I told myself I'm never gonna feel like doing this, so I might as well do it now, and I deserve to live in a clean home. So you deserve that fit body. You're never gonna feel like doing it, so just do it now. Because you deserve to be fit and feel good, be confident in your skin. Some days, a lazy girl workout is perfect. All right, so we're finishing upper body. We're going to do alternating chest press, alternating so we don't have to go as heavy. And then we're gonna finish with some triceps and some biceps. So just smaller muscle groups, getting the blood to the upper body. 2 sets is all I recommend. You know, we're just getting back into it, making sure we're not falling off track. So many reasons why this workout would be great for you to do, right? If you have lower energy, something is always better than nothing. The most fit people on their busiest days, find a way to do something, you know? Instead of skipping for weeks at a time, they might do just less throughout those busy weeks. So just remember that. Instead of thinking, oh, I can't get in my full hour workout that I usually do or whatever. Something is better than nothing, right? Pivoting instead of quitting is the key to long-term success. And the reason that I'm doing like a lazy workout today is because I've been having like this sinus congestion for the last few days. And so I took a few days off of working out just so I could let my body heal. I still did outdoor walks, and yesterday I went for a really long walk and I still felt really good afterwards, and today I woke up thinking, you know, it was time. I'm doing it because I feel like I can today. After taking time off, you don't want to go back pushing it super hard, you know? And I can still hear it in my voice a little bit. There's definitely still some sinus stuff going on, so I don't want to kill myself today. Same thing with that time of the month. Take it easy on yourself. Listen to your body. If it's your first time working out after a while from being in the gym, same thing. Take it easy on yourself. Never go back to how hard you were working before. You want to gradually come back into it. It's not about being perfect. It's about showing up, trying to be better than you were yesterday. Don't compare yourself to who you were a month ago, a year ago. Did you show up today and you didn't show up yesterday? That is a huge win. You could totally call it there and just do an upper body workout. Sometimes when I'm feeling more tired, I'll only do upper body. Or if I'm just not feeling up to it, I'll do upper body once in a while, even though I'm a big advocate for full body workouts, because you're gonna get more results with full body workouts. But, you know, don't beat yourself up over it. It's better that you do something versus nothing. So you could save the second half of this workout for another day if you don't have the energy. So you should know how you're feeling as you're moving your body. Are you feeling worse? Or are you feeling good? So if you're feeling worse and you're starting to feel depleted, I would stop now. But if you're feeling okay and almost like energized, like better, that you just showed up and you did some moves that were doable, then you can keep going with me, and we've got some legs to finish. Let's do it. So we're gonna start legs laying down, because laying down, it just, in your head, it seems easier, right? So we're gonna do a single leg press, one side then the other, and then finish off with both legs laying down. Laying down, how hard can it be? You know, you choose your weight. I'm gonna choose a weight that feels challenging, but since I'm laying down, it's not gonna be that bad. guys, if you're in the middle of your workout and you keep telling yourself, I don't want to do this, I don't want to be here, I don't want to do this is too hard. Try to change your mindset. Like, the thing you tell yourself over and over again is what's going to become reality. So if you keep telling yourself you don't want to do it, you're not going to do it. So try to stop that thought process. It's okay that it's happening, but stop it and tell yourself your goal and that you deserve to get there. I deserve to be my fittest self. I deserve to give my body love, to show it love through exercise and eating healthy. I deserve that. I deserve to feel my best. It's about just showing up, putting in what you need to do, and in time, when you get into the routine, when you build that momentum, it does get easier. But building that chain is the hardest part, right? Building that habit is the hardest part. So just remind yourself that you deserve to feel amazing. It's gonna be well worth it if you just do it now. Just do it now. Because future you, when you're done this workout, you're gonna be super glad that you just did it. Hope that helps. So to finish off my workout, we're doing staggered hip thrust. So, you know, you're kind of laying half down, all one side, all the other side, and then we just pulse it out. We're using less weight than you normally use for just like a typical hip thrust. So I just want to activate the glutes, pulling in tight through the core. I'm not doing any core specific today just because I don't want to. You get a lot of core activation throughout doing exercise correctly, not twisting the hip side to side. So if you're really focused on form, you're gonna get a lot more out of it. Let's do the first set. I hope you guys loved this workout. It was just what I needed. I feel all my muscles worked. I just have one more set to do and then I'm done. So thanks so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed, you know, coming along with the workout, seeing how I mentally talk myself through a workout, how I adjust depending on how I feel. If you want to see more things like this, more, you know, real-time workout with me, let me know down below. I'm gonna maybe try to do this more often. It's really fun to bring you in and let me know like how my brain sets up a workout and how I stick with it, how I motivate myself throughout the entire thing. So like now that it's almost over, I let those happy thoughts come in. You did it, good job. I am that fit person. I am, you know, showing love to my body by letting it be strong and its best self. So I just really congratulate myself. I become my own little coach, my own best friend, my own motivation, my own inspiration. Like I tell myself all these words of encouragement all the time, you know? Instead of beating myself up over, you didn't do anything all week. No, it's all positive, guys. Beating yourself up can motivate you for a little bit, but not long term, you know? Feeling like crap will get you to the gym, but not long term. So going positive and just making yourself feel good with that positive reinforcement, that's what's gonna keep you in the gym. That's what's gonna get you back in. That's what's gonna get you to love the workout. That's what's gonna get you to love fitness, love health, nourish your body. Just positivity, positivity. So you can feel your best, right? I always want to be fit and healthy and happy, okay? They all go together in my opinion. It's not just about the physical, it's mental, all of it. So that's all I got for you guys today. Let's do the last set and I will see you soon in the next video. Bye.